Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Instamojo sale. So here I am an online educator. I am selling my courses with the help of Instamojo, and I want that as soon as a new sale will be made for a course by a new customer, automatically that customer should be added as a subscriber in my Zoho campaigns account. That is the email marketing application which I am using for sending follow-up emails to all these customers. Now to automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between Instamojo and Zoho campaigns, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without any coding and any programming skills. Now if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically add subscribers in Zoho campaign for Instamojo sale. So I'm a course provider and I'm selling my courses with the help of Instamojo, that is the payment gateway. And I want that as soon as the course will be purchased from Instamojo by a customer, then automatically that customer should be added as a subscriber of my email marketing application, that is Zoho campaigns, so that I will be able to further send them the offers with the help of email campaigns, course description, content, etc. Okay. Now, for automating this process of adding our Instamojo customers as subscribers in Zoho campaigns, we will have to build the connection between Instamojo account and Zoho campaigns. And that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills, effortlessly and effectively. Okay, so let's get started quickly. We are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you can directly click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this green button with sign up free. It will help you to create a new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations with it. Now, currently, because I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us. And you can see it is asking us for the name. So let us first of all provide a name to our workflow. Add or update Zoho campaign subscriber on Instamojo sale. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to set currently is related to my email marketing. So automations for email marketing will be the folder which I'm going to select, and then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new payment, a new Instamojo sale will be happen for the course which I'm selling, then automatically the person who has purchased the course should be added as a subscriber in Zoho campaigns. So for that, I'm going to take Instamojo in trigger and Zoho campaigns in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the sale will be made in Instamojo for the course, then only the person who has purchased the course will be added as a subscriber in Zoho campaigns, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select trigger application. So here, by using which application you want to start your workflow, I want that when Instamojo sale will be made, then my workflow should start. So Instamojo will be our trigger application. Let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event, that on the happening of which event in Instamojo you want to capture the response. So I want that when new sale will be made in Instamojo, then my response should be captured. With that response, instantly my workflow should start automatically. So here you can see that now we have received a webhook URL and also we have received some instructions. So by following the given instructions step by step, we have to insert the webhook URL inside the specific product which we want that on the purchase of that product, the response should be captured. So let's copy the webhook URL as it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new Instamojo sale towards Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to take you towards my Instamojo account and I'm going to show you each and every step that how you have to build this connection. So I'm using smart pages for selling my courses in Instamojo. I have created special smart pages as you can see. One of the page I'm going to select because we can only connect a single product at a time in Instamojo with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to select the specific course which I want to sell currently, that is core PHP programming. After selecting the smart page of the course, you have to go towards the three dots given over here. And over here you have to go towards edit page. After coming on edit page, here we have the option of page settings. And over here when we'll select page settings, we have webhook option. After coming on webhook, you can see that here we have the webhook option. It is saying add webhook, enter the webhook URL. An existing webhook URL is already added over here. I'm going to quickly delete it and I'm going to add a new webhook URL in front of you. As we have done that, now here it is asking us information to be sent. What kind of information with this webhook URL you want to receive? So here we have two options, successful payments or failed payments. I want that only when the successful payments will be received in Instamojo for this course, then the response should be transferred towards webhook URL and not for any other payment, not for failed payments. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and update quickly and now I'm going to click on yes. As we have done that, you can see that smart page core PHP programming is edited successfully and it is connected with Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply purchasing the course which we have recently connected with Pabbly Connect in Instamojo. To purchase this course, we will again go towards the three options and we will click on share page. Here you can see we have the link of the page. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to open it in a new tab. As we have done that, the page is open in front of us. So now with this page, I'm going to purchase this course PHP programming. I'm going to click on enroll now. And now to purchase the course, we will have to enter the customer information. So let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the customer who is purchasing this course is Intelligent, and let's say the last name is Student. Let's say this is the email ID and here I'm going to enter the phone number. Okay, I'm going to click on proceed to pay and I'm going to make the payment with the help of debit card. So let me enter the debit card details over here. And here I'm going to click on continue to pay. It is saying waiting for the payment confirmation. So let me wait for a few seconds so that my payment could be confirmed. And here you can see that as the payment is confirmed, I have received the response. In my response, I have received all the details. So let's start reading them one by one. First of all, we have the account ID. Then we have the status of the payment, that is success. We have the payment ID, which is unique for every new payment. We have the amount which is paid. Then we have the purpose for which the payment is received, master PHP Fitter course. We have the amount over here. Then we have the details of the customer. We have their name, their email address and the phone number as well. This means our connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time the sale will be made for my course in Instamojo, the response of the customer and all the details of the payment are going to be captured automatically in Pabbly Connect. Once we have set up the connection between Instamojo and Pabbly Connect, our objective is to add the customer who has purchased the product, purchased the course in Instamojo as a subscriber in Zoho campaigns. So for that, now we have to set up the connection between Zoho campaigns and Pabbly Connect. To do that, let's go towards our action step and let us select Zoho campaigns as our action application. After selecting the action application, then we have to select the action event that will be to add or update subscriber. Then let's click on connect. And you can see for that, I'm already logged into my Zoho campaigns account. You also have to keep in mind that you should log into the applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect priorly. Okay, here we have two options. So if you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. I'm going to show you that how you have to build a new connection. For that, I have clicked on add new connection. We'll click on this button, connect with Zoho campaigns. And now it is asking us the domain name. To get the domain, I'm going to take you back towards Zoho campaigns. Over here, we have to look towards the URL of our Zoho campaign account. In the URL, you can see we have zoho.in in as our domain name. So I'm going to copy it. I will go back and I will quickly paste it over here. As we have done that, now I'm going to click on save. And as we have done that, now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Zoho campaign account. And because we are already logged into Zoho campaign, so the account is detected successfully. Now I'm going to click on accept as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. And as we have done that, our authorization has become successful. And with this, Zoho campaigns is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So we just have to move forward towards entering the details in these fields. And as we will do that, the subscriber will be added. So first of all, it is asking us the list. I have multiple lists over here. I'm going to take you towards contact section. We will go towards manage list. And these are all the lists I have in my Zoho campaigns account. So I want to add the new subscribers in this new customers list. I'm going to go back and I'm going to select the same new customers list. Okay, then we have to enter the email, first name, last name and other details so that the subscriber could be created. And we have received all these details already in our earlier response. So instead of entering the data manually, let us simply map the data directly from the previous step. Here it is asking us the contact email and you can see that email is received. So I'm going to select it and it is inserted. As we have inserted this email over here in this field, it has become dynamic as we have mapped it. So when we map a data, it becomes dynamic and with each and every new response, automatically it gets replaced. So when we have mapped the email, now the next is first name, last name. So we'll map all these details as well so that all the details could be made dynamic and automatically with every new response they get replaced. In this way only we will automate the process, because if we will enter the data manually by typing or by copy and pasting, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace every time. Therefore, mapping is very important. Now here it is asking us the first name and last name, and because we have received the full name over here in Instamojo response, we'll have to split the name. To split the name, we will go back, we will click on this add action step button in between. We will use text formatter by Pabbly to split the name. And we will select the action event that will be split text. Let's click on connect. As we have built the connection, now it is asking us which text you want to split. I want to split the name. So I'm going to directly map it. Again, because I have mapped the name, it has become dynamic. It is asking us a separator by using which value you want to split the name. So here I'm going to use the space I have between first name and last name. And to use the space, it is given that you have to use it in the given format. I'm going to copy and paste it over here. Then it is saying that which segment of this name you want, first, second or all. I want all. So I'm going to click on save and send test request button now, and here we have the first name and the last name. As we have received the first name and last name separately, quickly I'm going to map them and done. Then we have the company name, job title, etc. Now I'm going to map the phone number as I have received that. If you have received the secondary email, mobile number, address, city, you can map them as well. I'm going to ignore these fields and I will directly click on save and send test request button. And you can see that the response is received. It is saying user successfully subscribed. So I'm going to take you towards my Zoho campaigns account. We will open the list new customers. And here we'll go towards the contacts in this list. And we can see that yes, automatically the subscriber is added with the same details. When I'm going to open the subscriber, we have all the details. This means that the connection between Instamojo and Zoho campaign is absolutely successful. And now every time the new sale will be made for the course in Instamojo, the payment will be received successfully. Then automatically the customer who has purchased the product, purchased the course will be added as a subscriber in Zoho campaigns. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.